Sup, y'all? Your resident keeper of the green here, Ocean's back again. In this video I do a simple MCU Inspired LoKi repaint. I also give him some shoulder pads and a cape. I make a paper template and trace it onto a thin piece of foam, and I attach it using super glue. I'm trying to glue it just to the torso so I can still have some articulation in the arms. For the cape, this happened to be the only green material I had lying around, so I tried to line it up with the grid there to get something kind of straight. For the color, I mixed black primer, Copenhagen blue, and Kelly green and black. The green pigment didn't fully mix and it gave a cool kind of two-tone effect that I liked. I finally realized after all these years when mixing colors makes a lot, because there's nothing worse than getting a color you really like and then running out of paint and not being able to match it. It's a bitch. Now I'm covering the whole figure in a matte varnish. I'm actually writing a rom-com and the main characters are named Matte Varnish and Kelly Green. Yeah, I do all kinds of things. I make all these beats and I'm a rapper and producer. Oh yeah, if you have any questions or post them in the comments and I'll get back to you. Not about my rap career, but what I'm doing here in the video. Well, maybe about rap. I'll answer those too. I don't have a job. Well, not in the corporeal sense of the word. I mean, I have a job to do, but it's not like in an office or flipping burgers. Not that there's anything wrong with that, but I have some certain conditions that some people might call one thing, but I call it mental greatness. Not in a condescending way. I just try to turn my biggest weaknesses into my greatest strengths. And anyways, for his weapons, I'm making the daggers from the screenshot. I used a piece of aluminum zip tie and I glued some foam to it. I'm gonna sand and shape and paint it. And that was the easiest way I could think of to make them with the things I had lying around. I tried to get a more turquoise black for the clothes, but I didn't get it right, so I'm painting things gold, and then I repaint the green on his chest. I use a gloss varnish on the weapon handles and his gold helmet. He was looking a little boring, so I added some more gold accents. Then I glued down his cape. The FX box on his back worked great as a place to glue it down, and then the cape hides the hole, so that was good. And so that wraps it up. Here are some pictures. Thanks for watching, and until next time, always remember, you gotta keep your head up. Peace. Ocean's out.